let's go to page 412 and do number 1. Okay, so this one, when you're solving two equations, you want to write it side by side. So you got 2x minus y equal to negative 4, and you got x plus y equal to negative 2. Okay, so if you look at two equations, two equations look similar, so you want to use the elimination method. So in this case, you want to eliminate the y because they're already opposite. So you have to make sure that one of the variables is opposite so that you can eliminate. Okay, so you can put either one underneath. I'm going to put this one under here. Okay, so I got x plus y equal to negative 2, and I'm going to add. Okay, and then you add each column, so you get 3x. Again, this cancels out, and that's the whole purpose of doing this. And so this becomes negative 6. Then you divide by 3, so x equal to negative 2. Okay, so once you solve for x, you can substitute any one of the equation. So you want to use the easiest equation if you can. Okay, use the easiest equation. So this is the easiest one. So that's going to substitute this into here. And when you substitute, you put in parentheses. So x equal to negative 2, so put in parentheses, plus y equal to negative 2. And you go in plus 2 on both sides. So you got y equal to 0. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's go to number 3. You have an x minus 2y equal to 10. And you have an x plus y equal to 4. Okay. So again, you can do either one. Okay, you can decide if you're going to eliminate the x or you can eliminate the y. If you're going to eliminate the x, you can times this by negative 1. Okay, and you can match. Or if you're going to eliminate the y, you got to make this opposite, so you can just multiply this by 2. Okay, that's going to do the y. Okay, it's because the sign is already opposite, so they're just going to do the y. So multiply by 2, so I get 2x plus 2y equal to 8. Okay, and then I'm going to put this under here. Again, doesn't matter which one you put underneath. Okay, so you got 2x plus 2y equal to 8. Again, the reason we do this is so that this will opposite. This become opposite, so you can cancel it out. Okay, so again, I'm going to add these two together. So I got 3x. Again, this will cancel out, equal to 18. Divide by 3, so x equal to 6. Okay. Now once I find x equal to 6, I can look for the y. I'm going to use this equation because this is the easiest equation. Okay, so I get 6 plus y equal to 4. Right? X is 6, so I substitute. Right? So minus 6 on both sides. So I got y equal to negative 2. Okay, and that's it. Okay. Okay, number 5. Here you have x minus 3y equal to 6. And you got 4x plus 3y equal to 9. Okay, so this is kind of nice. The y is already opposite. So let's go and do that. Okay, I'm going to put this underneath. So I got x minus 3y equal to 6. And this will cancel out. So I'm going to add the two equations together. So I got 5x equal to 15. Divide by 5. So I got x equal to 3. And I'm going to substitute into here. So 3 minus 3y equal to 6. And I'm going to minus 3 on both sides. All right, so this will cancel out. So I get minus 3y equal to 3. Divide by negative 3 on both sides. So y equal to negative 1. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 7. Got x plus y equal to 2. And then you have 3x minus 2y equal to negative 9. Okay, so you have to decide which variable you want to eliminate. Looks like the y is easier to do. Okay, usually, most of the time, not always, but most of the time, you look for the one with the lower number. So this is lower than that, so normally this would be easier. Again, not always. Most of the time, that's the case. Okay, so let's go and eliminate the y. So we have to make the y opposite. So to make them opposite, I need to multiply this by 2. Okay, so I get 2x plus 2y equal to 4. See, now they're opposite. See that? Okay, so I'm going to put this under here. So I got 2x plus 2y equal to 4. Again, the reason you want to make them opposite so that when you add, okay, they will cancel out. So when you add, they will cancel out. So you got 5x equal to negative 5. Divide by 5, so x will equal to negative 1. Okay, then after that, I'm going to use this equation. Again, you can use either one. So use the one that's easier. So you got negative 1. Okay, whatever you substitute, put in parentheses, plus y equal to 2. So to get rid of that, I need to plus 1. Right? You have to do the opposite to undo something to solve. So you got y equal to 3. Okay. Okay, number 9. Okay, you got x plus 2y equal to 0. And you got 2x minus y equal to 0. Okay, so again, you got to choose if you want to eliminate the x or the y. In this case, I'm going to do the y. Okay, so I'm going to make the y opposite, so I need to multiply this by 2. When I multiply by 2, I get negative 2y, it becomes opposite, right? Okay, so I got 4x minus 2y equal to 0. And then I'm going to put this down here. So I got x plus 2y equal to 0. And I'm going to add. So I get 5x equal to 0. Right, this will cancel out. Now don't freak out when you see the 0. Just keep working. So divide by 5, divide by 5. 0 divided by 5 is still equal to 0. Okay. Then I'm going to substitute into here. So I got 0 plus 2y equal to 0. So again, 0 does not do anything. So I got 2y equal to 0. Divide by 2 on both sides. So y equal to 0. Okay. Okay, number 11. Okay, I have 4x plus 3y equal to 2. And I got 3x plus 5y equal to negative 4. Okay, so this one gets a little bit complicated. So you have to decide which variable you want to eliminate. Okay? And so the x is 3 and 4, y is 3 and 5. So I'm going to eliminate the x. Again, to eliminate something, I need to make them opposite. But right now the number is all messed up. So what you do is you just cross multiply. Okay? That's the easiest way to do it. So I'm going to multiply this by 4, okay, and multiply this by 3, okay. So first, I need to get the number the same. So when I multiply, this will give me 12x, this will give me the 12x. But I don't want to make the same. I want to make them opposite. So I'm going to multiply by negative 4, okay. So now I got 12x plus 9y equal to 6. And this will give me negative 12x. Okay, so now see they're opposite, right? Again, that's the key. The key is to try to find a way to make them opposite. So this would be minus 20y, and this will equal to 16. Okay, and I'm going to put this under here. So I get 12x plus 9y equal to 6, and I'm going to add. So this will cancel out. So so I will get negative 11y equal to 22. Divide by negative 11. So y equal to negative 2. So once I do that, I can use either one of the equations. Since there's a lot of space, I'm going to use this equation over here. So I got 4x plus 3 times negative 2 equal to 2. Again, whenever you substitute, put in parentheses. Okay, you will cut down a lot of careless mistakes. So you got 4x minus 6 equal to 2. So I need to plus 6 on both sides. So I got 4x equal to 8. Then divide by 4 on each side, so x equal to 2. Okay, and that's it for number 11. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, let's go to 13. Okay, so you got 6x minus 10y equal to 6, and you got 9x minus 15y equal to negative 4. Okay. Well, right now the equation, the number is kind of really big and kind of messy. But notice always a multiple of 2. So let's go and divide it by 2 to lower the number a little bit. So divide it by 2 to lower my number a little bit, so it won't be as bad. So you got 3x minus 5y equal to 3. Okay. So now you log these two now. Okay. So So I'm going to eliminate the y, okay? So I'm going to multiply by, well actually that's going to do the x because lower number. So to make them opposite, I need to multiply this by -3, right? When I do that, -3 will give me opposite, right? Okay, so you can go for the lower number. So I got -9x plus 15y equal to -9. And I'm going to put underneath here. Okay, so I get -9x plus 15y equal to -9. So when I add, this all cancel out. So I got 0 equal to -13. Okay, now this is impossible, right? And so in this case, there will be no solution. Okay, because this is impossible. What it's saying is that no matter what x and y's are, that they're always going to come out incorrect. So there's no way it's going to work. So in this case, there will be no solution. Okay. And well, actually, for two equations, you don't want to write no solution. You want to write inconsistent because the two doesn't match. Okay. So for one equation, you write no solution, but for two equations, means it's a system. So you write inconsistent. Okay. Okay, number 15. You have 3x minus 5y equal to -2, and you have 10y minus 6x equal to 4. Well, first let's go and put this in the correct order. So it'll be -6x plus 10y equal to 4. And notice always a multiple of 2, so I'm going to divide it by 2 to lower my number, so make it easier to work. So I got -3x plus 5y equal to 2. And in this case, the x is already opposite, so I'm going to just put underneath. Okay, so I'm going to put underneath here to eliminate the x. Okay. And so when I add the two equations, this will cancel, this will cancel, so I got 0 equal to 0. Now this is true, okay? That means it doesn't matter what x and y are, they will always work. And so in this case, there are infinite number of solutions, so the answer will be dependent, okay? So again, if it's come out false, if it's impossible, it's inconsistent. If they're always true, then it's dependent. Okay, 17. You have x minus y equal to -5, and you got 3x plus y equal to -3. Okay, so this is kind of nice because the y is already opposite, so we can just go and put underneath. Again, the key to this whole thing is to make one of the coefficient opposite, and so that they will cancel out. Okay, so when you add, this will cancel out. So you got 4x equal to -8 divided by 4, so x equal to -2. So once you do that, you can come over here and substitute. So you got -2 minus y equal to -5. So first we have to undo this. So let's go and plus 2. So you got -y. Watch, there's a negative here, right? So make sure you line up. Should be -3. And divide by -1. So y equal to 3. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 19. You have x minus 2y equal to 6, and you have 3x minus 2y equal to 12. Since they already have same, so let's go and multiply this by -1 and to make them opposite. Okay. So I want to eliminate the y. If you're going to eliminate the x, you have to multiply this by -3 to make them opposite. Okay. So again, it doesn't matter which one you choose. Okay. So choose the one that's easier to do. So you're going to get -x plus 2y equal to -6. And I'm going to put this under here. So -x plus 2y equal to -6. So I'm going to add this so that this will cancel out. So I get 2x equal to 6 divided by 2 on both sides. So x equal to 3. Then after that, I'm going to use this equation here. So I substitute this into x. Then after that, I'm going to minus 3 on both sides. So I got negative 2y equal to 3. Then divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. So y equal to negative 3 over 2. Okay, and that's it. Okay, 21. Okay, you got 2x plus 6y equal to 2. And you got 3x plus 9y equal to 3. Okay, so again, all these are multiple of 2, so I'm going to divide it by 2 to lower the number. Again, when you lower the number, it's easier to work with. So you got x plus 3y equal to 1. And this one, I'm going to divide it by 3. So I got x plus 3y equal to 1. Notice they're identical. When they're identical, that means they're always going to be true. So this is going to be dependent. But if you don't see that, that's okay. Okay, let's go ahead and make them opposite. So I'm going to multiply this by negative 1. Right? I'm going to eliminate the x. So just follow through the motion. Okay, and put this underneath here. Again, you choose a variable and make them opposite so they will cancel out. And again, you're going to add. So notice everything got canceled out. Right? So you got 0, cancel out. So 0 equal to 0, so that's true. It means it's always true. In this case, again, the answer would be dependent. Okay. Okay, 23. Okay, you have 2x minus 5y equal to 4y. And you got 3x minus 4y equal to negative 1. Okay, so this is kind of hard, but it's okay. So again, I'm going to try to eliminate the one with a lower number. So x is a little bit easier to do because you got 2 and 3, right? For the y, you got 5 and 4, so probably easier to do the x. So I'm going to make the x opposite, okay? So 2 and 3, so again, the easier to do is just going to crisscross number. So multiply this by 2 and multiply this by 3. So 2 times 3 will give me 6, 3 times 2 will give me 6, right? But notice they are same, so you have to make one of them negative so it become opposite, okay? So I'm going to make this negative over here. Again, doesn't matter which one, you just choose either one, doesn't matter. So I get 6x minus 15y equal to 12. And this one we have negative 6x, see, they're opposite. That's the key to this whole thing. Again, you make one of the variable opposite so that they will cancel out. Okay, and put this under here. So I got 6x minus 15y equal to 12. Okay, so I'm going to add. So this will cancel out. So I get negative 7y equal to 14. Divide by negative 7 on both sides. So y equal to negative 2. So once I do that, I'm going to solve my x. I'm going to use this equation. Okay, so we got 2x minus 5 times negative 2 equal to 4. Again, doesn't matter which equation you use. You can even use this one. Okay, you can use any equation you like. So choose the easiest one to work with. Okay, so this would be 2x plus 10 equal to 4. So minus 10 on both sides. So you got 2x equal to negative 6. Divide by 2 on both sides. So you got x equal to negative 3. Okay.